I had always wanted to be a news anchor. When I was 16 years old, I knew that was what I wanted to be. I decided to come back to Meredith to complete the Digital Communication Graduate Certificate program. I knew that the new building was being finished. I couldn't lose the opportunity to get into the studio and get a little bit more experience before I headed into the working world. During my last semester of the Digital Comm program, I knew I wanted to have one more internship under my belt to really prepare me for a future in TV news. And I was searching for something, but nothing really seemed to fit exactly what I needed. Then I remembered that I had met some of the video marketing team at Meredith, so I should just reach out to them and see what was available to me at Meredith. My experience has been exactly what I had hoped for. I've gotten to conduct interviews with political leaders in our community and students right here on campus. I filmed a behind-the-scenes reel of the MCSN Meredith College Student newscast where I actually got to anchor. I got to show what actually happens for a newscast. It's not just one person. We have a whole team of people that make this one newscast happen. Working as an intern in different internship positions have really helped me become stronger. I've really seen myself grow. You learn how to work in a work environment. You learn how to work with other individuals you had never met before. It really just prepares you for the future. During my time at Meredith, I found my voice. I found even more confidence that I didn't know I had within me. My name is Taryn McKenrick. I am a member of the class of 2022. I majored in communication and earned my digital communication certificate at Meredith College. This is me, this is Meredith.